Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about how you can figure out what you want out of life by not knowing what you want out of life. So if you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And like I said, in this video, I want to talk about figuring out what you want out of life by not knowing what you want out of life. And I know that kind of sounds like, is it an oxymoron? I don't know. I never was good in grammar when in school, so don't quote me on that. But anyways, oh, let me turn the air down. It is a beautiful day here in Colorado, by the way. But yes, one of the things that I've learned in life, and one of the things that I feel like is important, is the opportunity to explore, to try new things, and to do new things. And I believe that we as people, we as individuals, should try new things all the time, if not every single day. Something that we haven't done before, that is outside of our comfort zone, that makes us feel fearful and things like that, because that's how you're going to figure out what you want out of life. Because the thing is, a lot of people, when it comes to wanting to create their life, the life of their dreams and the life that they want, they actually, when it comes down to it, don't even know that what they want, because they haven't had the opportunity to explore. Because exploring and doing things outside your comfort zone is going to teach you something. It's feedback. It's going to tell you what you're good at and what you're not good at, and what feels good and what doesn't feel good, and you know, those kind of things. And you can't discover what you want if you don't push through fear and try different things. Because all of that fear and pushing through that fear and doing things that make you feel uncomfortable, that's just feedback. It's all feedback. And when you look at it, I mean, when you really change your perspective about this thing of being uncomfortable and doing things that you've never done before, when you change your perspective from fear to the fact that it is an adventure, it's so much easier to do when you look at it from like, oh, I'm being adventurous and it's just an adventure. That was one piece of advice that I received when I was a new mom, because being a new mom can be quite scary when you have little kids and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta go to the grocery store with these little kids by myself. But that was a piece of advice that I had received from a coworker of mine that just totally shifted how I viewed fear. She said, instead of looking at things as being something to be scared of, look at it as an adventure. And when you look at it as an adventure, it's like excitement, and it makes things easier to do, especially when it comes to living outside your comfort zone and doing things that make you feel uncomfortable, doing things that you fear. Because when you do that in life, it is feedback, and that feedback is actually going to help you craft the life that you want. Craft the life the vision you have for yourself. You cannot do that without those things, I feel. Because typically, if you don't have that feedback, you're saying things like, hey, I want an amazing love, I want amazing life. But what does that look like? Because love, through different people's lenses, looks different. Love could be, you know, it can look, I mean, I know specifically that when it comes to relationships and love, I would love to have something or someone that is very supportive. And to one person that might look like love, but to another person that might not be something that they really require or want. So you have to really be specific. And what's going to help you be specific when it comes to crafting the life that you want is that feedback by doing things that make you feel uncomfortable every single day. Whether it's trying a new food, whether it's taking a new way to work, or something, even when it comes to your workouts, if you do something that you had never done before, and a new exercise, it's all feedback. Everything in life is feedback. And so when you look at it that way, and you look at doing new things as feedback and pushing through fear as an adventure, it is just so much easier for you to navigate life. So I wanted to share that because I think it's important for us to really be specific about what we really want and not speak in generalizations like an amazing life. What does that mean? Who knows? Like, that means, who knows what that means? But I wanted to share that because I think it's important, like I said. And once you figure out exactly what you want, the specifics of exactly what you want, what your amazing life looks like, write it down. Write it down and read it often. So anyways, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was thinking when I was actually writing my book, I'm pretty much finished with my book, You Choose Your Own Outfit, how sometimes it's important to really try on different outfits. Try on different outfits, what feels good to you, what doesn't feel good to you, what fabrics feel good on your skin, and what fabrics irritate your skin. All of that is feedback. It's feedback for you to create the outfit that you want to wear and what you want to show up in this world. So I just wanted to share that. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this day. It's so beautiful here in Colorado. What else? That is all. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on life, business, and everything in between. And that is all, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.